And this is news just coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while inaugurating the National Conference of District Judiciary at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi today, spoke on women's safety. He said, and I'm quoting now, atrocities against women's safety of children are serious concerns of the society. Many strict laws have been made in the country for the safety of women, but we need to make it more active.
आज महिलाओं के खिलाफ अत्याचार, बच्चों की सुरक्षा समाज की एक गंभीर चिंता है। देश में महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के लिए कई कठोर कानून बने हैं। हमें इन कमेटियों को और अधिक सक्रिय करने की जरूरत है। महिला अत्याचार से जुड़े मामलों में जितनी तेजी से फैसले आएंगे, आधी आबादी को सुरक्षा का उतना ही बड़ा भरोसा मिलेगा। साथियों, मुझे विश्वास है कि यहाँ जो विमर्श होगा उससे देश के लिए बहुमूल्य समाधान निकलेंगे।
My colleague Aman Sharma with me on the broadcast. Aman, second time in less than a week's time when the Prime Minister has expressed his opinion, spoken about these incidents of women atrocities?
Yes, Arunima. In fact, the third time, I believe, after the the Independence Day address, PM had earlier also spoken at a function about the same, and today also at this function of the the judicial authorities, he's clearly saying that look, atrocities against women and the safety of children are very, very serious concerns of the society. He was also mentioning about the strict laws which have been made in the country for the safety of women, but he said उन laws को ज़्यादा सक्रिय करने की ज़रूरत है. We need to implement them more effectively, more actively. Also, he is pointing out that the faster the decisions are taken in cases related to atrocities against women, the greatest assurance of safety half the population, the women will get. The Prime Minister from Red Fort had also impressed the same thing, that not only should these cases be reported widely, but when the punishment is given to the perpetrators, the media should report that widely also, because a deterrent needs to be put in against the culprits for such crimes. And that is what the Prime Minister is impressing upon. And we saw West Bengal government, in fact, writing a letter to the WCD ministry asking for stronger anti-rape laws, to which the centre has responded that the law is already very strict. What is actually needed is the quick implementation of these fast-track courts which deal with rape and POCSO cases, so that the judgments and the trial can be held very, very quickly and the perpetrators are brought to justice in the shortest possible time. The Prime Minister stressing on the same while speaking today at a function.
Aman, thank you so much for helping us understand the import of what the Prime Minister said today. Crucial comments coming in from the Prime Minister, even as doctors at RG Kar, the hospital where the crime happened, continue to protest. But today, in fact, the junior doctors of RG Kar have decided to open telemedicine clinics. They are providing telemedicine services and will soon launch Abhaya Clinic as well. This is what the junior doctors are saying about what the motivation is behind this move.
ये जो है क्या डिसीजन लिया गया है, how will this telemedicine work, and what are the plans with Abhaya Clinic?
Actually, right now we are going to start the Abhaya Clinic. We have 4, that is the numbers, the telemedicine number we have given, and this clinic will be started from 10 AM to 2 PM daily basis. It will continue, and those who are that means the contact with this telemedicine number, we will provide that means the telemedicine that is the clinics through this 4 WhatsApp and calling telemedicine numbers, and that will be already started today. From 10 AM it is already started.
So it will be continued for, and what is Abhaya Clinic?
Regarding the Abhaya Clinic, actually we all know that is how the Abhaya has passed her last times, and the brutal that is the attack on her. And remembrance of this we have started, so that we can remember her, as well as the common people, those who seek, there is the OPD basis consultation, they will get it through her remembrance.